Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again and again and again. And this time, I'm going to do an unboxing for my new 7-Eleven Run 2021 race kit. Halata naman sa suot ko, parang kakagaling ko lang tumakbo. Yes, kakagaling ko lang tumakbo. So, fresh pa lang tong video na ito. Without any ado, ito na po siya. So, ito ang aking race kit for the 7-Eleven 2021 run. Yung first vlog ko sa channel na to is yung 7-Eleven 2020 run naman, which is I enjoyed filming. It's been a year since I ran like actively. So, di ko alam kung anong mangyayari ulit. Pero I've been running like a few months back na. Pero hindi lang yung tuloy-tuloy kasi hirap din ng schedule, and you know that the pandemic is still here. Medyo may mga limit pa sa mga lugar, lalo na dito sa area namin na medyo mga pasaway mga tao. Yan, recently na lang ako nakakapag-run ulit and training for, for future runs na sasalihan ko. And this is going to be the first one for this year. Na patapos na yung 2021 pero umabol pa rin to si 7-Eleven. Buti na lang. May mga ibang virtual run nga lang pero hindi kasi ako prepared. Ayoko kasing sumali sa mga ganyan na hindi ako prepared physically. I'm not really a professional runner, but I love running and it's a good sport to, to maintain. T-shirt, leggings, sapatos na maganda. You know what I mean? It's a pretty decent sport, I think, that you could maintain. It's not really a sport, but it's a hobby for me. It's something that I want to do on the side. Makapag-exercise ako as well as wala rin yung pang stress relief siya. It's the last, yung last run ko nung 7-Eleven 2020, medyo hirap na hirap ako noon kasi talaga hindi ako nag-prepared. This time around 2021, I've prepared sana enough na nakapag-prepare ako for this one. Kasi 10 kilometer na naman ulit ang tatakbuhin natin. So, yung talagang takbo ko. Kasi pangit. I mean, ako kasi hindi seryoso ko talaga yung mga ganitong takbuhan. Ganyan. Talagang gusto ko may target ako. So, may target akong distance, may target akong time. Then, pag hindi ko na yung parang nakaka-frustrate na hindi ko nagawa yung target ko. Pick up pa lang siya sa 7-Eleven dun sa may Concepcion. Talagang nilakad ko rin siya from my area to there. Medyo malayo lang. Pero nag-train muna ako kanina bago kukunin to. So, nakapag sabihin na natin 5 kilometers, I think. Yeah. The 7-Eleven 2021 run is brought to you by some sponsors. And when you register sa 7-Eleven run this year, two options siya. Either you're fully vaccinated and not vaccinated. So, mga fully vaccinated, may libre sila. Libre in a way na you still have to buy the products from their sponsors depending on the distance that you'll be running. Yung distance na tatakbuhin mo, rather. So mine is a 10-kilometer run, solo. Ayun. Nature Spring kasi yung option na bibili mong product. So, 100 pesos worth na product yung bibili mo if you're fully vaccinated. If not, you still have to pay the full price of the registration fee for this run. Ayun lang. Yun lang yung perks for being a fully vax person. Yun nga. For me, yun, Nature Spring, yung binili ko. So, 100 pesos worth. 4 na tig-1 litrong Nature Spring yung binili ko. I was on the way to the office nung nalaman ko yung mechanics of the 7-Eleven run this year. And sabi ko, okay, sige, bili na lang ako. Which I don't have any idea how much is the water. Tapos yun pala, mga nasa 25 more or less, 25 pesos, gano'n, mga 25, 24 pesos yung Nature Spring na tubig. Tapos, edi bumili akong 4. So, dala-dala ko yun hanggang office. So, ginawa ko na pinabigay ko na lang kasi magagawin ko sa 4 na litrong tubig, 'di ba? Kakaloka. Yung 1 litro pa nga lang medyo hirap na nga akong ubusin. Pero sabi nga nila dapat inom ka ng inom ng tubig. It's healthier and of course nakaka-cleanse ng body. Ayun, wala rin naman ako, hindi ko rin naman siya mauubos. Pinabigay ko na lang. Then afterwards, pag nag-register ka, so you have to log into their website that is www.run711.com. So dito kayo magre-register. Ipapakita nyo yung receipt as proof na bumili kayo ng 100 pesos worth ng product. And of course, ipapakita nyo rin yung vaccination card nyo if you're fully vaxxed. Then, yun, isa-send nyo na yung may registration form doon, tapos doon nyo ilalagay, i-upload lahat. Then, you send, then afterwards, sabihin natin mga 3 days, ako na-receive yung confirmation ko na kung kailan ko makukuha tong race kit na ito. Tapos, yun, yun na, confirmation na. Then, you have to wait for the official start of the run, which is on November 7. Dapat, ayun, nag-start ka na tumakbo on your own pace. From my own past experience, ang ginagawa ko is isang pasada na yung 10 km, yung 10 kilometer. So, magpipili lang ako ng isang date siguro na gagawin ko siya more or less on a weekend. Kasi talagang, yun lang talaga yung only time kung paano makatakbo sa umaga. Umaga lang talaga ako laging tumatakbo para less init and medyo less yung tao, siguro ang kotse sa area namin. Buksan na natin to ating tama na sat-sat at buksan na natin ito. So, ito yung back. Ito yung niya. Medyo kinabahan lang ako kasi nakalagay dito 5 km. Pero buti na lang nakalagay din sa label is 10 km Nature Spring. Diba? Yun. Small size yung binigay ko. So, may mga sizes naman to. Nandun din sa registration form, i-indicate mo siya kung ano yung size nung race shirt mo. And of course, yung finisher shirt. Last time, yung finisher shirt nila is cotton. Like I said, gumawa na rin ako nung unboxing nung race, yung finisher shirts ko and yung medal. I was hoping na sana cotton siya. Cotton yung finisher shirt. Kasi hindi ko talaga magamit sa pagtakbo yung finisher shirt nila last year. Kasi cotton, ayoko ng cotton. So, dry fit na shirt. Kasi ayoko yung pag pinapawisan ka, parang... So, this time, yung medal, I was really, really, really psyched about the medal. Kasi ang ganda niya. Yung medal last year, okay lang naman din yung medal last year. Pero parang mas maganda yung design ng medal nila this year. So, I'm just so excited. So, anyways, ayan. Bubuksan na natin. Woo, I'm so excited. Just can't hide it. Wait lang. Paano ba buksan? Okay. Ooh. Ako. Grabe naman sila, oh.
One eternity later.
Sana na. Yan, gumamit na ako ng parang matulis na bagay. Okay, let's open this baby. Okay. Oh. All right. Yun lang. Okay. Yun ang laman niya. Yung shirt. Nag-expect pa naman ako ng medyo madaming bagay sa loob. Pero shirt lang. Usually naman, kasi virtual run naman kasi siya. Usually kasi kung na to, yung live na event na takbuhan, it would be more than this. Ayan, ito na yung aking shirt. Oh my God, gagamitin ko to. I-vlog ko yung aking run ulit for the 2021 run. So, ito naman yung likod. Nature Spring. But at least, it's my favorite color. It's blue naman. So, last time kasi green yung aking shirt. Nakalimutan ko lang kung ano nasa likod. Yung parang pinaka-product niya sa likod. And it's a small size. At mas maganda yung quality ng shirt nila this year. Yun ang masasabi ko. Kasi yung last time, I think medyo manipis siya. Ngayon, medyo makapal na siya ng onte, yung quality ng shirt. So, good job. So, I can't wait to vlog this 2021 run. Hopefully, wala na, ready na ako. At itatakbo ko na to all the way. wala nang ngayon. Hindi na ako babagal-bagal, hopefully. Sana yung time ko medyo mag-improve. Kasi ngayon parang kinakabahan ako kasi parang hindi ko makuha yung time. May target naman kasi ako. Ayun. Guys, so if you like this video, you could like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I could like be motivated to create more videos. If ever may mga nanonood, ayun, it would be motivating for me to create more videos. So, anyways, bye guys!